What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another Baby Pepe update. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
All right, so if we look at Bitcoin, this is exactly what I've been talking about in my last several videos. We absolutely had to see Bitcoin get an explosive green candle. I was getting a little bit worried because we had gotten back above both of the moving averages. However, we had tweezer tops, which usually signals a lack of buy pressure. But this explosive green candle is very bullish to see. And the only real resistance level left would be the previous all-time high. So if this candle actually closes as strong as it is right now, I think this is a very bullish move. But just an anomaly that I want to point out is that there has been 7 green candles in a row on the daily time frame. Usually that signals that a pullback is coming. It's not guaranteed, but if you just look through the history of Bitcoin, it's rare to get 7 green candles in a row. And especially if you get up into that 8 or 9 range. But again, regardless, we look very good right now. If we look at the meme coin market, you can see that meme coins are starting to follow Bitcoin. Dogecoin in the last week is up 25%, SHIB's up 17%, Pepe's up 19%. And what I still want to point out about Pepe right now, because I think it's very important, is how good the volume is. And understand, there was a point in time where Pepe was over 12 billion in volume. It was even higher than Dogecoin. But right now, Pepe has over double the volume of SHIB. And this is one of the biggest reasons that I truly think Pepe is going to pass SHIB this bull run. I just don't see how a project with as good a volume as Pepe doesn't continue to climb up the ranks. And I show it all the time, but if you compare Pepe's volume to the utility projects above them, it's also significantly better. That's part of the reason I'm very bullish on the Pepe narrative. Now, when we look at BABYPEPE, you can see that BABYPEPE has actually dropped a little bit in the last day. But honestly, when I look at this chart, I am still just seeing major consolidation. We're just trading at this very strong support level. It's been a very nice floor in the past. We've had like 5 or 6 different periods in the past where we've been trading in that 5 to 6 million range. So could BABYPEPE fall lower? Absolutely, but it also could very easily get a bounce from here. And again, I understand a lot of people think that this project is very boring right now because again, we're just trading sideways. But I do want to point out this is a derivative to Pepe. You always have to look at it that way. And right now, Pepe is not separating from the market. Yes, it's doing well. It's up 19% in the last week, but it's not separating. You see many other coins are up about the same as Pepe. Ideally, BABYPEPE is going to explode when Pepe starts to separate from the rest of the market. You want to see Pepe being up 20 or 30% when the rest of the coins are up 10 or 11%. That's going to bring a lot more eyes to the entire narrative. But when we look at the BABYPEPE X account, they're still posting great artwork every single day. They're up to 6.2K followers. But I'm telling you, just go and look at their artwork and compare it to a lot of other projects in the same market cap range. BABYPEPE's is way better. And that's because of the partnership that they have with Sculpt Studio. And Sculpt Studio also makes artwork for MOODENG, and MOODENG got listed on Binance. So yeah, honestly, there's not a whole lot for me to say about this project. Again, I understand it's boring right now, but I'm personally someone who always likes to follow the money. And when I look at the holders of BABYPEPE and I click on like Wallet 3, for example, I love to see that there are Pepe whales holding this project. And rarely do whales get in the position that they're in if they don't know what they're doing. Like you look at this wallet right here, they have $4.4 million worth of Pepe, and then they have 130,000 worth of BABYPEPE. You would think that if they don't believe in this project anymore, they would have sold when it started to drop. But the fact that they haven't should tell you something. But again, at the end of the day, just understand this is a meme coin, so it's still extremely high risk. Nothing is guaranteed in this market. But if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like BABYPEPE, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But as most of you guys know, we've been making massive gains in here. Whether we're making 200x's on projects like Hoppy or we're making nice gains on DCA alerts. I also have a very strong community that's calling out microcap gems if that's something that interests you guys. For example, my community hit huge on Nitro yesterday. But if this sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an excellent community. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think BABYPEPE will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.